Namaste Nepal. My name is Saurabh Kothari and I am the Country General Manager for Xiaomi in Nepal. Today, first of all, I would like to thank all the Mi fans in Nepal to join us on this live feed and witness the amazing relaunch of Poco in Nepal after a long span of 2 years. Dear Poco fans, as you might remember, the first phone we had launched in the Poco lineup was the Poco F1 2 years back in the same month of November in 2018. It went out of stock in record time, and after that, we have done multiple sales of the same product, and it has always been sold out very, very fast. So, the Poco philosophy is based on three main pillars: technology that matters, democratizing decision making, and an ever evolving nature. An amazing smartphone experience is a mixture of five most important things. First, camera. Second, performance. Third, looks. Fourth, battery. And fifth, price. What other brands give is they miss the mark in one or more of these. But with Poco, it hits the mark in all of these five features. So, Poco fans, here is the first product we are launching today, the Poco C3. And it is called the Game Changer. So the Poco C3 has a triple camera array which is the segment best. It has a 13 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel macro camera for macro shots. Let's take a look at some of the sample pictures which have been taken by the camera of Poco C3. Here you can see in the main camera sensor, the photo taken is absolutely crisp and bright. The second sensor is the macro sensor, which is useful to capture amazing macro shots like this. The third sensor is the depth sensor, which is used for portrait photos. As you can see in this picture, how the foreground is effectively crisp and bright, while the background is quite blurred. This is the beauty of the depth sensor on the Poco C3 camera. The Poco C3 camera array is arranged in a symmetrical camera cutout. Coming on to the display part, the Poco C3 has a 6.53-inch HD Plus cinematic display with a 20:9 aspect ratio. It has an ergonomic one-handed use and cinematic display. Because of its 20:9 aspect ratio, you can have an amazing split screen experience as well. Talking about the processor, in its segment, the Poco C3 is an ultimate gaming powerhouse. It is powered by the Helio G35 processor with an octa-core CPU, 12 nanometer process and a superclock GPU for the ultimate graphic experience. Also included in the Poco C3 is the segment best up to 4GB LPDDR4X RAM for faster processing and better speed. So 2020 has been a year where we have been using our phones at the maximum level. And what do you need when you are using your phones a lot? You need an amazing battery. The Poco C3 has an amazing 5000 mAh 2-day battery. And it's not just a regular battery. It's a better battery 2.0. What it means is the Poco C3 battery has a 25% higher charge cycle count compared to other smartphones in this category, which means it lasts up to 3.2 years without the need of any replacement. So a fortified battery with more charging cycles gives you better longevity with no need for replacement. So the family of colors of the Poco C3 include the beautiful Arctic blue, lime green and matte black. So I hope everybody loved the family of colors we have launched for the Poco C3 today. Now taking a look at the key specifications of Poco C3 again. The Poco C3 comes with a 13 megapixel triple camera array with a wide angle as well as a macro lens, a 6.53-inch HD Plus display with a 20:9 aspect ratio, MediaTek Helio G35 processor, with up to 4 GB LPDDR4X RAM, 5000 mAh battery with a better battery 2.0, P2i nano coating for protecting your phone from splashes and spills, and the Poco Clean experience. Now let's take a look at an amazing product video for the Poco C3. So Poco fans, we have one more exciting product we are launching today, which is the Poco M2. The tagline of which is power for the win. So the Poco M2 has a larger than life 6.53-inch FHD Plus display. So better clarity as well as the larger display gives you the best entertainment quality you can have at your fingertips. Talking about the all-important processor, the Poco M2 is powered by the Helio G80 octa-core processor with a 12 nanometer process. Also included is a hyper-engine game technology with intelligent handling of Wi-Fi and enhanced power efficiency. So that's the performance department of Poco M2 with 6 GB LPDDR4X RAM, MediaTek Helio G80 processor, 64 GB storage, dual band Wi-Fi, dual VoLTE, dual VO Wi-Fi, and hyper-engine game technology for the ultimate gaming experience. So the battery powering the Poco M2 is a 5000 mAh massive battery with 2+ days of battery life. The battery is enough to give you a 26 days of standby time, 76 hours of music playback, and 12 hours of uninterrupted gaming. Coming on to the very important camera section, the Poco M2 has a quad camera array which has a 13 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel wide sensor, 5 megapixel macro sensor for macro shots, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor for portrait shots. Let's take a look at some of the sample pictures which have been taken by the amazing camera of Poco M2. In this picture we can see how the 13 megapixel main sensor has done an amazing job of capturing a really crisp image. In another picture, we can see how the main camera has taken a beautiful picture and the same angle being taken by a wide angle lens. Another picture which shows the incredible detail captured by the 5 megapixel macro lens. You can see how the coffee beans are individually very succinct and very distinguished. The design part of the Poco M2 is a two-tone pattern with better grip, anti-fingerprint texture, and a better in-hand feel. The connectivity options on Poco M2 include a 3.5mm headphone jack, ultra-linear speaker, Bluetooth 5.0, wireless FM radio, IR blaster, and dual microphones. The color options which are there in the Poco M2 which we are launching in Nepal are the slate blue, brick red, and pitch black. Summarizing the key specifications of Poco M2 for you, it comes with a Full HD Plus 6.53-inch massive display, super fast 6 GB RAM powered by MediaTek Helio G80 processor, 5000 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charging support, 13 megapixel AI quad camera array, 8 megapixel in-screen selfie camera, dual tone design, Corning Gorilla Glass 3, and P2i coating. So let's take a look at this beautiful product video for the Poco M2 which has been made by our teams. Wow, that was an amazing product video. Hope you all guys loved the video. So here are the two phones we have launched today, the Poco C3 and the Poco M2. Now, the moment we all have been waiting for. What is the price? First, let's discuss about the price of Poco C3. The variant we are launching today for the Poco C3 is the 4GB and 64GB one, which is priced at... That's right. The price of the 4GB, 64GB variant of Poco C3 is just rupees 14,999 and it will be available across all offline and online stores in the country. Now coming on to the next product we have launched today, the Poco M2. The variant we are launching today is the 6GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. The price for the 664 variant of Poco M2 in Nepal is... That's right. The price of the 6GB RAM, 64GB internal memory Poco M2 is priced just at rupees 18,999 across online and offline stores in Nepal. So both these phones will be available really soon across Nepal, and for the first time Poco series is coming to offline stores. Yes, these phones will be available across online as well as offline stores at the same price very soon. I hope all the Poco fans out there love the two products, love their pricing which we have launched today. Thank you for joining us for this live launch. Stay safe. Namaste.